Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked at the end of this video down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, US dollar CAD, I still think this is likely the end of a wave B, and we are likely on the daily time frame in an uptrend for a wave C. If that's true, then this right here is potentially 5 waves up for a wave 1. That means that this move down likely could be a wave 2. We got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. We are looking for 3 waves down and a Fib bounce, which if you'll notice, we already made 3 waves down. And we already got a Fib bounce. So now I would be keeping a very close eye for either a higher low or a break of structure to the upside, both of which I think would prove that that is the end of a correction. If it doesn't do either of those, but instead just turns down and goes down and makes a new low, that will invalidate the correction being over, and then it will probably end up turning into more of a complex correction, maybe something like that. So definitely keep an eye out for a significant higher low, even if you got to go to a little bit of a shorter time frame, or keep an eye out for a break of structure to the upside. So either a nice higher low or a break of structure to the upside should tell us that this right here really is the end of a correction, possibly the end of a wave 2, and possibly the beginning of an uptrend for a wave 3 of wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.